Through this video, we are going to teach you how to do a speech as a business tycoon. A business tycoon is someone who is extremely successful in their industry. Tycoons tend to be entrepreneurial, coming up with innovative ideas or solutions that help them rise to the top in their fields. Let's watch the short story.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to see your beautiful faces. I think everyone likes to know about my life story. Today, I will tell you how I became a businessman. There are 6 members in my family, including me. Mother, father, 2 younger sisters, and younger brother are present. I grew up in a somewhat rural area. My father worked as a farmer. He was the breadwinner of my family. He had to work hard to support our family. He had 2 cows. Every morning, Mother collected milk. I carried them to market. We were able to buy another cow by selling milk. Then came 3 cows. When I was 12 years, my school teacher taught us how to make yogurt at home. I returned home and informed my folks about the recipe. But it didn't matter to them. Even though they didn't seem to care, I couldn't forget the thought. I tried making yogurt. It was successful. The taste was excellent. I gave the yogurt to my siblings to taste it. Their feedback was positive. I carried yogurt along with the milk when I took it to the market. I looked for a seller who sold yogurt. The first vendor turned down my yogurt. I inquired with another seller, who likewise declined. Nobody accepted my yogurt. However, I did not give up. I made the decision to carry yogurt to school. Fortunately, I was able to sell them to my classmates at school. Some students saw it as a joke. I didn't care about them. I was able to make contact with the canteen's owner. He saw that my yogurt was in high demand among the students at my school. As a result, finding sellers for my yogurt was simple. My family was delighted when I told them the whole story.
If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.
Selling yogurt can earn more money than selling milk. At that time, I was 15 years old. We decided to stop selling milk and instead focus on making more yogurt. Day by day, we were able to grow the yogurt production and our customers. We have made every effort to provide high-quality products to our customers. As a result, we were able to build positive relationships with our customers. They had faith in our products. I became a businessman in this way. My products are healthful, and my children also use my products. Because of that, you can trust me and my products. Now I own the largest dairy in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, even though starting from zero is challenging, you will have an amazing success story to tell everyone in the future. Start from zero, one day you will be a hero. I appreciate everyone's attention, so thank you.
We are impressed with your interest in watching this English learning video, which is not certainly fun for many. Your time and effort are greatly appreciated. We hope you will be able to speak English fluently in near future. Thanks again and see you in another video.